Friend, you see this is a same chart but different views. So for beginners view, you can see there is upper side. This is a views. Upper side is support area, and then downside is channel is totally below come. Okay, and after that there is a pro viewers who are, they can understand this thing, so see there properly. And I feel this is a very good chart and understand very easily. And if you apply this thing, obviously you will help this thing, and in future while you trade, then it will be profitable. Okay guys,